Hello everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today to experience the launch of Toyota's most awaited compact SUV, the all-new Urban Cruiser. I hope you and your family are keeping safe and in good health. I am Rohit Pilani, CEO of Rajpal Toyota, would like to welcome all our customers, my dear friends and viewers who have taken time to join us today. Your trust and support means a lot to us. As we all know that situation has been changed now and digital platforms are the new normal. This gives us the opportunity to celebrate the launch of new Toyota Urban Cruiser with all our customers virtually. The launch of Toyota Urban Cruiser is very big deal for all of us at Toyota, and we wanted to make sure that we deliver as per our customers' expectations. Right now, there is increase in demand of compact SUV, and with Urban Cruiser, Toyota will be increasing its range in SUV segment. With the launch of Urban Cruiser, we will be catering a wide set of Toyota customers, and it will be an opportunity for young customers to enter into Toyota's SUV family. This will also give new customers the experience Toyota's global safety standards and also sales and after sales service. So not taking much of your time, let me introduce you with our prestigious guest, Mr. Mahesh Rajpal and Mr. Deepak Rajpal, the directors of Rajpal Toyota. Mr. Rajiv Sharma, General Manager Sales, Toyota Kirloskar Motor. Thank you very much for joining us today. Before we unveil the car for all of you, let me invite Director of Rajpal Toyota, Mr. Deepak Rajpal, to share his thoughts.
Start करें? 1, 2, 3, start.
Hello everyone, I am Deepak Rajpal, Director Rajpal Toyota Bhopal. Rajpal Toyota is a leading Toyota dealer from last more than 2 decades. We are aligned with the philosophy of Toyota of customer first, and same has been reflected in our tagline that we care and it shows. We believe that we are in the market for the customer and by the customer. At the moment, we are operating in and around Bhopal in about 12 districts. We have recently added a new dealership at Sagar, and we would like to add more in the coming time and go more closer to the customer. Our strength is our people. We believe in the teamwork, and we are under the leadership and guidance of Mr. Mahesh Kumar Rajpal, my father, who also believes that manpower is the key strength of any organization, and I have incorporated the same in my life, and we believe in development of the mankind.
Ready? Start.
Today I take pride in welcoming a new member in our Rajpal Toyota family, that is Toyota Urban Cruiser, the youngest SUV from Toyota. I am really glad to launch this product during the festival season, where all our customers can touch and feel this product and take home this Urban Cruiser at this auspicious festival time.
Start.
I already see lot of excitement among the people to own this amazing Urban Cruiser.
Start.
We have got exceptional bookings of the new member in the Toyota family, and I am really thankful to all our customers for the remarkable bookings.
Start.
I would like to invite all of you to Rajpal Toyota to further come and feel this new exciting Urban Cruiser, and also to take benefit of pre-booking offer.
Start.
To honor our customers, we are offering special pre-booking offers to all our customers booking before 15th October.
Thank you very much Deepak ji for sharing the journey of Rajpal Toyota. Definitely it was very inspiring. Coming 3 months are full of festivals and best time to take home a new family member as Toyota vehicle. Let me now invite Mr. Rajiv Sharma from Toyota Kirloskar Motors to share few words about the launch of Urban Cruiser. Thank you very much Rajiv ji for sharing these facts. Okay ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to unveil Toyota's new entrant in the portfolio, the all new Urban Cruiser. Let me request Mahesh ji and Deepak ji to join me on the stage.
दीपक जी एंड महेश जी दोनों डायरेक्टर हैं राजपाल टोयोटा भोपाल के, जो अब आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करेंगे ऑल न्यू अर्बन क्रूजर। Hello everyone, thanks to all of you for visiting Rajpal Toyota and to make this event a grand success. Thank you and have a look and enjoy the vehicle.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have Toyota Urban Cruiser in front of all of you. Let me give you brief introduction about this car now. As we all know that Toyota is known for its quality, durability, reliability and safety. On the same lines, Toyota Urban Cruiser has been launched and this will be the latest entry in compact SUV segment. So let's start with the exterior. See the grille, which gives a wide stance to the vehicle. This vehicle will definitely stand out when it will be there on the roads. किसी को बोलना नहीं, ऐसा लगता है जैसे मिनी फॉर्च्यूनर खड़ी है. So this is about the grille and the front. This also comes with LED projector headlamps which improves visibility and safety for night time and also enhances the looks of the vehicle. Talking about alloy wheels, vehicle will have 16-inch precision cut alloy wheels. This allows for faster acceleration. Moving to rear now, LED tail lamps and rear parking sensors will add to looks of vehicle and safety for the passengers. Vehicle will have a boot space of 328 liters which is easily accessible and expandable that can fit any bags easily. Let's move to inside now. See, dual tone dark brown interiors. This gives customer a feeling of traveling in a premium SUV. Push start stop button. Added convenience to the driver. Automatic air conditioning system helps in maintaining the temperature even in hot summer days. 7-inch smart touch screen audio with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This offers entertainment while you are on the move. Steering mounted controls provide convenience of access to infotainment, calls and cruise control. Multi-information display, which is MID, gives clear and crisp vehicle information. Electrochromic inside rear view mirrors increases safety and prevents from temporary glare blindness. Rain sensing wipers. It turns on automatically and helps you focus on roads during heavy rain condition. Cooled glove box. Keep your drinks cool. If we talk about its engine, it has a powerful 1.5 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine. This gives the power of 104 PS at 6000 RPM and 138 Newton meter of torque at 4400 RPM. Over and above, all the variants will have manual and automatic transmission. Let me also share the mileage, which is ARAI certified. For manual transmission, it will be 17.03 km per liter and 18.76 km per liter for automatic transmission. As we know, Toyota is known for its safety. Urban Cruiser will have teched body structure which offers enhanced safety for the occupants without compromising on efficiency. Dual airbags with ABS and EBD standard across variants. Rear view camera, rear parking sensors, front fog lamps are some of the features which enhances customer safety. Still, there are list of features which I will request you to experience during your visit to Rajpal Toyota Bhopal. Ladies and gentlemen, let me also take this opportunity to share Toyota's USP in front of all of you today. Let me start with express maintenance. This is EM60, means express maintenance in 60 minutes. This ensures quality service in just 60 minutes and time starts from customer approval till delivery of your vehicle with zero extra cost. 3 specially trained technicians work parallel to reduce time. Quality check of every job is part of each process. And to avail this facility, customer has to take prior appointment and ask for express maintenance for periodic service. Let's talk about UTrust, buy sell exchange of vehicles. This is another USP of Toyota which helps customer to complete the cycle of its vehicle ownership and helps customer to start new ownership cycle. UTrust ensures safe and clear transaction of used vehicles. This might be used vehicle for us, but for customer who is buying it, it will be a new vehicle for him. We also ensure similar experience during vehicle delivery. How can we leave Toyota Protect? This is the complete insurance solution from Toyota. This covers provide 100% protection not only for your car but your family as well. It ensures the coverage of your personal belongings, engine, tires, alloys, and most important, there are no limit to claims. Another USP of Toyota is genuine accessories. This gives enhanced comfort and styling to your vehicles. The attraction here is that you can purchase all these accessories on EMI as well with Toyota Finance. मैम अभी करंटली कौन सी कार यूज़ कर रही हैं आप?
Maruti Ciaz.
मारुति
Yeah.
सियाज। ओके, तो मैम कैसी लगी आपको अर्बन
Hi, it's very nice, smart look, and the seat is also very comfortable, and ground clearance is better than Ciaz.
मैम अभी कौन सी कार यूज़ कर रहे हैं मैम आप?
Sir, currently I'm using Yaris Toyota.
यारिस टोयोटा। मैम क्या अच्छा लगता है मैम आपको यारिस में?
अच्छी कार है, उसकी ओवरऑल लुक बहुत अच्छी है, अंदर से बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है और वैसे भी पर्सनली मुझे टोयोटा बहुत पसंद है।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम। और मैम अर्बन क्रूजर आज आपने देखी, आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही अच्छी कार है, लुक में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बिल्कुल मिनी फॉर्च्यूनर जैसी है, तो डेफिनेटली मैं बुकिंग करा के जा रही हूँ। आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट।
एंड व्हाट अबाउट मैम इंटीरियर्स, आपको अंदर
इंटीरियर भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है और आई रियली लाइक इट, लाइक दिस कार।
थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम।
Thank
तो
you
आपकी
so
बुकिंग
much.
कर देते हैं आज मैम।
श्योर श्योर।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
लाइक फ्रंट से इसका थोड़ा ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव है एज़ कंपेरिजन टू मैं कंपेटिटिव मॉडल देखूँ तो। स्पेशियस है गाड़ी एंड ओवरऑल जो फीचर्स एक होने चाहिए वो सारे हैं। इस गाड़ी में सबसे अच्छा फीचर कौन सा लगा? ये सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है, इस रेंज में इतने फीचर्स आपको मिल रहे हैं। नो डाउट कम मार्केट में कंपेटिटिव रहेंगे, बट मैं टोयोटा से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि टोयोटा, क्योंकि पहली बार सेगमेंट में आया है सब 4 मीटर में टोयोटा, तो उसमें देखा जाए तो ये काफ़ी बेटर प्रोडक्ट है ना।
नहीं, गाड़ी तो वैसे अच्छी है, गाड़ी में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आगे भी लुक अच्छा है, देखने में अच्छी है और बूट स्पेस भी अच्छा है, कंफर्टेबल भी है और बाकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। वैसे स्टीयरिंग में थोड़ी सी है, एवरेज 20 18 19 का बता रहे हैं आप, 19 20 19 का एवरेज भी अच्छा है। फॉग लैम्प भी है और इसमें LED लाइट भी है, इंजन भी अच्छा है, सारा कुछ है, बम्पर कवर भी अच्छा है इसमें। हाँ हाँ, नहीं अच्छा है गाड़ी का, कलर चॉइस भी अच्छे हैं।
So ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to the end of Urban Cruiser digital launch. It was great hosting you all. Hope you all have liked it. Looking forward to welcome all of you at Rajpal Toyota to touch and feel all new Urban Cruiser, the compact SUV. Let me also ensure you that we are keeping all safety measures for our valuable customers. It is time to say goodbye to all of you. Rohit Pilani signing off.